Welcome back, everybody, to the channel. Last time I left you guys off on a cliffhanger. Sorry to do that to you guys. But more content. We just finished up the Jordan 5 Retro Concords coming out, and I hope you guys like that for sure. They're already dropped on the channel. Let me know if you guys want some of those. They're 10.5s. Gladly do business with you guys, maybe even trade. But I'm really excited for the next cop that was also there at the time. We spent $70 on this. Remember, the Concords were $80 with a projected profit of anywhere from $130. Well, I can sell them for $130 to $150. So that's a good maybe, I don't know, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130 to 160. To anywhere from 50 to 60 bucks. So that's the profit. But these are really special, guys. I actually want you guys to pause this and think. Let me know in the comments. Let me know what it is, what you think it is, and I'll give you 5 seconds to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time's up. This here on the channel is dropping a fire size out of 10, an Air Jordan 1 mid. Black gym, red or white. What does that mean for most of you guys that already know this kind of colorway? A pristine looking Chicago Reds Air Jordan 1 mids. When I found these guys, what a steal. What a steal. $70 for this. And it looks new, literally. It literally is new. It has like the stickers on them. It's basically DS. Anyways, they smell new, guys. I'm so sorry, but like that's how awesome they are. The guy I got them from was this Asian guy. He said he was also like, he liked some of his Jordans, but was looking to get rid of some of them. And he was selling for like 100, 110. And I was like, you know what, yo, I'll lowball them. I was like, yo, would you do 60? He's like, I'll do 70. I was like, bet, yo, I'll do that. I was like, okay, you got lucky, you just ask. And these are super nice. Everything's stock DS. And they're like, these go hefty. I see them on StockX. They go for around, last sale was $212. But if you want to just outright buy one at this size at 10, it'll be $180. $180. Can you imagine that? I got them for $70. That's insane. Look at this. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe. Has its stickers, its whole protector thingy. Like, this is an amazing shoe. And personally, like, I'm thinking they're my size. They totally fit perfectly. I'm thinking to keep them, reimburse myself those $70 that I would have spent on these, and keep them as a memorabilia that, like, I'm getting into the shoe game, honestly, like, and I'm serious about it. Like, we really want to do something like this. It's crazy. These are really nice shoes. I've never, like, in my life considered having some of these, and now that I have some Chicago's in my hands, like, I feel like I really do want them, and I want to continue this. So it marks a really special day for me. Again, StockX are going to 180. Goat, on the other hand, has them for 174. And if you want them instantly, you get them for 190. That's insane. That's crazy. So yeah, these might not be on the channel. Maybe I'll post them and immediately put them like all sold. Just sold them to myself. probably pay myself. Like, yo, here's my 70. Yeah, probably will do that. And that's gonna be awesome because I really love these shoes. Look at this. This is an amazing shoe. The Chicago's 2020 versions. And remember, guys, let me know what you guys think, not only of this shoe specifically, right, but of also other types of Jordans and or shoes that you like. It could be anything else. I know some people like their luxury brands. What is that, like Dior, Balenciaga, Steve Madden, maybe Steve Madden. It could be any kind of shoe. And honestly, like, flipping up in this challenge is it's a ride. It's supposed to be fun. It's supposed to be something eye-catching like these. I never imagined myself getting some of these ever. Like, or the Jordans, the purple suede ones, or the Concord. Like, I'm a Converse guy. Super simple. And I dye my Converse. I wear them until they die. But having something like this really makes me want to, like, appreciate shoe works a lot more. I can see why there's a community behind it. They're amazing. They're really nice. Let me know what you guys think down in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, guys. Let me know if that's a good idea to keep them or sell them. Depending on what you guys think, I might just sell them, but I'm really leaning towards keeping them. Let me know. More content is coming up, and I do leave you guys with a small linking, maybe another little cliffhanger onto our third item that's gonna drop. I think I will make this a 3-parter. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Go follow at JJ'sKickz on Instagram. These shoes are going to be on there. Dark Concords are already out. Let me know. Send a DM. Pitch me an offer. Maybe some trades. And I hope you guys have a great day today. I'm looking forward to the next video. So, catch you guys later. Love you guys. Deuce.